Welcome to this tutorial. What we will do this time is to try to create a dinosaur model. So I can show you a few pictures of what my idea was, and if you wait a second, we're going for something like this. So it's not going to be as detailed as most of the pictures you see here, but we'll try to make some cartoonish version of a dinosaur like this. And the way we'll do it is to use a lot of merging and fillet with different shapes. So let me see if I find a good picture here. For example, this one. So for the tail, I'm planning on just using loft. So we make a few sketches and then use loft to create this tail, and the main body is just going to be a sphere that we will shape with non-uniform sizing, and then we can just attach them together and put a fillet. Then the neck, we might use sweep instead of loft, but let's see. And then for the head, we'll just make some spheres maybe and merge it and then fillet it. You can get some nice shape by doing that. And the same thing with the legs. I think we'll just put not really a sphere, but a sphere that we resize and then merge and fillet. And for the legs, let's see, maybe a cylinder or a sphere. But it's going to be a lot of merging and filleting, and let's see how we can make some good shapes just by using simple tools like that. And then we'll be able to use sweep, which is new. And I was planning on also, let me see if there's a picture of that, on the neck, add some more details like these, I don't know what to call them, these pointy things along the neck, so that we can use let me see, path pattern, this one. It would be a nice way to show how we can use it. So let's get started by just going to orthographic mode. I prefer that. And then for the main body, we'll just use a sphere, and I think we'll put it a bit bigger with 30 in radius. And of course we need to resize this one, and let's go to non-uniform and squeeze it like this. And I think that's okay. Maybe we should also rotate it a bit and drag it up. So that should be the main body. Okay, so to make the tail, we will go ahead and make some sketches. So let's start by, let's see, what is, yeah, 30, and then, okay, so because we're going to use loft, we want to move the sketches away from each other. So I need to go back here and create a new circle, click on the grid, and then create my circle. So 25, because if I start to draw a circle directly after this one, without going up here and going back to sketch circle, you will see that they will be connected and I cannot move them away from each other. So just go back, click on the grid, create another one of, say, 20, and then go back here, click on the grid, and say 10, and maybe a last one of 5. Okay, Actually, I want to move this one so it's placed in the middle on this line here. Oops, sorry. Didn't click enter. There. So let's go ahead and rotate these 90 degrees. You can rotate them all at the same time, like this, but then they will be on top of each other. So just go here, move this one. So there will be a lot of moving of these sketches, but that's just how it is. So let's put this here, and let's fix it up. So depending on what kind of tail you want, you will place them differently. So from the picture I saw, they have quite a thick tail, you could say. So I think I will continue with this in the next video, and then we will put on the loft and see how this looks. So please continue in the next video.